This is a $1 billion super yacht. And it's bigger than a $300 million mega yacht, a $50 million giga yacht, all the way down to this $1 yacht. Why did you sell me this boat for $1? Here you go.
Thank you.
And after stepping on board, it was pretty clear why this yacht only cost $1. Okay, now that we're on the water, what are we working with in here?
I don't think the floor is supposed to do that. I don't know if this is even worth $1.
Oh, we're actually sinking. Oh, the boat literally started sinking right when we put